Welcome back to the Penny Street Journal, your go-to channel for all things investment and personal finance. Today, we're tackling a question that's on everyone's mind. How much money do you need to stop working and live comfortably? Stick around as we break down the numbers, explore investment strategies, and give you the tools to calculate your own freedom number. Let's dive in. The concept of financial independence and financial freedom. Let's start by clarifying two terms that often get thrown around: financial independence and financial freedom. While they may sound similar, they represent different milestones on your journey to a secure financial future. Financial independence. The first milestone is financial independence. This is when you have enough passive income to cover your basic living expenses. Think rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, and healthcare. For many, this is the initial goal. Imagine not having to worry about your next paycheck because your investments are doing the work for you. This level of independence can alleviate fears like making poor investment choices or feeling overwhelmed by financial systems, concerns that our friend often grapples with. Financial freedom. The next level is financial freedom. This is when your passive income not only covers your basic needs but also your wants, like travel, hobbies, and even those what-if scenarios. Achieving this level is more challenging, but should be your ultimate goal. It addresses the desire for a stable and comfortable life, something that many of you aim for. The FIRE movement. You might have heard of the FIRE movement, which stands for Financial Independence, Retire Early. This community focuses on maximizing savings and investment returns to achieve financial independence as quickly as possible. It's a movement that resonates with those who are motivated to take control of their financial future, just like you. Calculating your freedom number. Alright, now that we've covered the basics, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How do you actually calculate your financial independence number and financial freedom number? Don't worry, we've got you covered with a step-by-step guide. Step 1. List your expenses. Start by listing all your monthly expenses. Divide them into two categories: basic needs and wants. Basic needs include rent, utilities, groceries, and healthcare. Wants could be travel, dining out, hobbies, and so on. Step 2. Annualize your expenses. Multiply your monthly expenses by 12 to get your annual expenses. Do this for both basic needs and wants. Step 3. Apply the 4% rule for financial independence. To find your financial independence number, take your annual basic needs expenses and divide by 0.04, the inverse of the 4% rule, but of course you can substitute your own percent. This will give you the investment portfolio size you need to cover your basic living expenses. Step 4. Calculate your financial freedom number. For financial freedom, add your annual basic needs expenses to your annual wants. Then divide this sum by 0.04. Step 5. Factor in inflation and taxes. Don't forget to account for inflation and taxes. The average inflation rate from 2000 to 2022 is approximately 2.44%. Since tax rates can vary depending on your location, you'll need to add that percentage yourself. To be on the safe side, it's advisable to add an additional 15-20% to your financial freedom number. This extra cushion can help you navigate uncertainties like market volatility, unexpected healthcare costs, or other unforeseen expenses. Step 6. Set milestones. Break down these large numbers into smaller, more achievable milestones. Whether it's reaching a 10% or 25% mark of your financial independence number, these milestones will keep you motivated. Step 7. Review and adjust. Your expenses and lifestyle can change, and so will your freedom numbers. Make it a habit to review and adjust these calculations at least once a year. And there you have it, a roadmap to calculate your financial independence number and financial freedom number. Remember, these are just guidelines. Your journey is unique, and it's okay to make adjustments along the way. But having a clear financial target can alleviate uncertainties like fear of poor investment choices and anxiety over financial security, issues that many of you might face. Strategies to speed up the process. Now, how do you get there faster? Some people opt to reduce their expenses drastically, living frugally to save more. Others might even consider relocating to countries with lower living costs and more favorable tax conditions. These are strategies that can help you reach financial independence more quickly, but they come with their own set of challenges and uncertainties, such as adapting to a new lifestyle or managing investments from abroad. So, as you can see, achieving financial independence and financial freedom is not a one-size-fits-all journey. It requires careful planning, strategic investments, and sometimes lifestyle changes. But the reward? A life unburdened by financial stress, giving you the freedom to choose how you spend your time. And there you have it. Achieving financial independence is a journey, and knowing your freedom number is the first step. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more financial wisdom. Here at the Penny Street Journal, we're committed to helping you take control of your financial future. Until next time, invest wisely and aim high.